So how can you mark up on a PDFs using the iPad? Let's get started. So in fact, it's pretty simple. There isn't really much to it. So I'm going to quickly show it to you. On your iPad, you can go to the Files app and locate your PDF file. So when you tap on it, it's going to open it up in like a different window. It's using the Preview app, which has been added in the iPad OS 26. In the older version, it just uses the Quick Look method, but it kind of works the same, where if you have the Apple Pencil and the PDF is full screen, you can tap it with the Apple Pencil and start drawing and marking up on it instantly, right? This is with the Apple Pencil. But if you don't have the Apple Pencil, or if you want to customize the pen tools, you need to tap on the markup icon, which is right there in the middle of the page at the top entirely. So you can click it like this, and as you can notice, it makes the eraser, the color picker, and all of the other things like the thickness of your pen. All of these things show up, so you can customize it and make your notes or markups much nicer, better, and more precise. Since obviously, it might be too thick. So if you want to, you can zoom in, but you don't really keep the same thickness as you zoom in because it's going to be too thick. So you have to make it thinner. So yeah, you can customize it nicely and mark it up simply. I know a lot of people use it, especially students, to have in a drive, draw some notes on their like learning material. So for that purpose, it's like ideal because it gets saved even once you leave the app. So yeah, it's very useful, but that's it from me. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next tutorials.